Hello everyone, so yes, today I'm going to be reviewing these beautiful sneakers by Chanel, so keep watching. I'm going to be giving you all the scoop. So these are the sneakers. They are white, black, and beige. Right off the bat, I can tell you that they are very, very tight on the foot. I am a size 6 for reference. These shoes have the Chanel logo all throughout, at the sole of the shoe, also on the side and on the inside of the shoe as well. It has white shoelaces, but I did notice that it also comes with black shoelaces, and those are inside of the box. The insole does have a very pretty design. It's kind of cushioned and it's a very rubbery material. It's not what you're accustomed to in sneakers. Also, I did forget to mention that also here in the front, it has the CC Chanel logo. So it has a very 90s style to it, and I love Chanel sneakers. I think they are just very stylish, and these, my friends, I would wear them. I'm gonna wear them with a dress, I'm gonna wear them with jeans, but I love them. Oh, and I also found another Chanel logo right here on the front. So quality-wise, I do really like that they're very sturdy, they're very durable. I know these shoes are going to last me a long time, and if you're like me, someone who washes her shoes, I'm gonna throw these in the washer. I also do wanna point out that the shoes do have a code, like right in here, and I'm guessing that that's so that the shoe can be differentiated. When I went to the store, they did tell me that these shoes sell out pretty quickly, so not all sizes are always available. Believe it or not, in Chanel, they have limited inventory, and sometimes you go for something and they don't have it because it sells out very, very quickly. And one way in which you can check if they have what you want is you get a sales rep, and then you get the information from the sales rep, and then when there's a new campaign, something new is launched, what they do is that they call you, or you can call or text the person directly, and that's how you would get whatever you want from Chanel. So I do really like the fabric. It has leather, and then it also has this very soft material here, and then it also has suede all throughout. And then comfort-wise, I do think that they are very tight on the foot. That's something I really don't like, but I think once you wear the shoe, they're going to feel more comfortable. I don't think that they're the most comfortable shoes in the world, but I do think that they are beautiful. Honestly, I would have loved them in pink, but they didn't have that color. That's usually when they launch their spring summer collection, when they have like those pastel colors. The back of the shoe, this part for me is very important because it's very sensitive. So this is where the back of your ankle would be, and I really like that it's cushioned and that it's soft. So that for me is a huge plus. I always look for that in shoes. I have to make sure that that's comfortable, because if it's not, then I really can't wear the shoe. It doesn't matter if it fits perfectly. If the back doesn't fit right, then I can't wear the shoe. Now, I do want to give you guys some insights. So the shoe is made in Italy, and usually Chanel shoes, they're made, well, some of the things they're made in France, but some others are made in Italy. Chanel, as you guys know, is a European brand, but overall, I think they are beautiful shoes, and I love everything that Chanel has. They have really high quality, and well, duh, you're paying a ton of money for things, but it's really, really good quality, and I received really good customer service at the store. I went to a store here in South Florida, and the sales rep was awesome. So would I recommend the shoes? Absolutely, I would 100%. These shoes are gorgeous, and I see myself wearing them so much. I think these are going to be my everyday shoes. I don't care. I want to wear them every day because I love them. So I want to tell you now a little bit about the box so that you have an idea. I know I always talk about these things, because if you find the shoes online on a sketchy website, or someone is telling you the shoes, you got to know what signs to look for so that you know if it's fake or not. So let me show you. So it does come with the iconic Chanel box. This is a very sturdy box. as you guys can see, it has the Chanel logo. It's a very sturdy box, and something that you look for is the spelling and make sure that it's centered. You see how the logo is centered? That's something that you look for when they're selling you the shoes. That's something for you to know. So this box does bring a significant amount of tissue paper. But aside from the tissue paper, I want to show you what it also comes with. So they do give you 2 dust bags, and these have the Chanel logo on them. Beautiful. And the bag has pouches bag, whatever. They do really have a really nice feel to them. You can tell that they're really good quality. And then these are the black shoelaces that they come with. It also has like the little Chanel logo there. So obviously just like tissue paper, and then the will for you to wear them and rock them. That's the only other thing I can say. But overall, just if you're gonna get the shoes, the boutiques don't have discounts per se, so you do have to pay the full amount. There are websites, I think it's like Fashionphile, The RealReal. Those websites, they may have the used version of the shoe, and then there you can get them for a little bit less money. Usually they're like from older collections, but you can get them there. If not, yeah, you have to go to the store, but just always make sure that you're buying from a website that is authentic and that you know you're gonna get your money's worth. If you're wondering if Amina Muaddi heels are worth the money, I'm going to be reviewing her heels and letting you know everything. These shoes are called mules, and they are sandals as well. I got them in the color pink. They have a beautiful design, which are the straps, and they are embellished with small studs. The shoe in specific is very easy to recognize because it has the heel, and as you guys can see, it's plastic and you can see right through it. This sandal in specific is more stable than a stiletto. If you're starting out with heels, this specific style and wedges are going to be your best friend. I wouldn't suggest stilettos. The sandals are perfect for summer and spring. You can dress them up or dress them down. These are pajamas, and I wear those heels with my pajamas to go out, and I also wear it with jeans. You can also wear them with a skirt, with a dress. They're very versatile, and you can really get a lot of looks from the sandals. The shoes are a little bit pricey. I wouldn't say a little, but they are considered luxury shoes. These shoes can go for close to $1,000, maybe more. For these in specific, I ended up paying a few hundreds, in the very low hundreds, because they were on sale. And like always, my size was the last size, and the shoes were the last shoes on the website. I had wanted them for a really, really long time. I had seen them at the store, and I didn't want to pay the price on the tickets. So I said, I'll just look online. When they go on sale, I'll get them. And I was fortunate enough, and I got them. And I am so happy with the quality of the shoes. So the shoes are made in Italy. They are made out of leather. And one of the things I noticed about the heel is that the strap in the front, it tends to glide off a little bit. I have little toes, so if you have longer toes, I don't think you're gonna run into that issue, but that was one thing. And then this strap really holds my foot in place. They fit very nice. They run true to size. Quality wise, I do think they are very durable. Usually with these shoes, if you take care of them, they're going to last you more. I believe it's because they're made out of leather and because she invests on really good materials, but the shoes are beautiful and definitely worth the splurge. This sandal specific, they have tons of other colors. One of the shoes I really like from her are the pumps that also have this heel in the back. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. The shoes are also very easy to walk in, and that's a huge plus. I've worn these to go out to lunch. I've worn them to go out to dinner, and I'm fine. I think they are very, very comfortable and very stylish and very classy. For me, they are just perfect. I would love a pair in other colors. The shoes are sold at Saks, My Teresa, I believe Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's. You can get them on a ton of stores, or what you could do is directly go to those big retailers and look for Amina Muaddi. She has a table for her, and there you can check out the shoes and you can try them on yourself. Pros of the shoes: they are very easy to walk in, they're beautiful, and they fit perfectly. This brand does have discounts, so you're able to find them at a discounted price online or at the store. For me, the main con would be the strap and also the price point, because if you like them and they just came out, you're gonna be paying a significant amount of money for the shoes unless you wait. I hope you subscribe. Feel free to browse through my catalog of playlists. I recently went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia, and I'm uploading those videos. I give you lots of tips on where to go, the excursions that I went on, what to eat, an overview of the cruise itself, its restaurants, and I think you're gonna love it. I also have other travel playlists like Dubai and the Mediterranean. I hope you subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, and I also make lifestyle videos. Okay, now, bye.